Is Unibright still a good investment in 2024? The answer to that question might just surprise you. Launched in 2017, Unibright jumped into the blockchain industry to solve a major problem that plagued the space for all businesses, big and small. Since day one, Unibright set out to solve these issues with a variety of products and services. Unibright offers a comprehensive framework for integrating blockchain tech into an existing business system. It's essentially an all-in-one solution for companies looking to leverage and benefit from blockchain without the complexities that blockchain has to offer. A significant challenge for businesses is adopting blockchain with the lack of technical expertise, as the field is relatively new and skilled developers are scarce and costly. Unibright addresses this by providing a user-friendly framework that simplifies blockchain integration into existing systems, even for those with no prior blockchain experience. The Unibright framework focuses on featuring a visual drag-and-drop user interface, enabling businesses to create and integrate smart contracts easily. It also includes pre-built templates for common use cases like supply chain management and tokenization, allowing for quick and straightforward smart contract creation. A key advantage of the Unibright framework is its support for multiple blockchain platforms, recognizing that different platforms have their own strengths and weaknesses and are suited for different use cases. This flexibility ensures that businesses can integrate with a wide range of blockchain platforms without being bottlenecked. Furthermore, Unibright emphasizes automation, offering tools to automate tasks like smart contract creation and deployment. This focus on automation allows businesses to concentrate on their core operations, leaving the technical details of blockchain integration to the framework. Holding true to the Unibright framework, Baseledger was born. Launched in mid-2021, Baseledger is a public permission council-governed blockchain network designed to meet the key requirements of enterprise organizations participating in baseline-enabled processes. It offers a unified architecture that ensures service quality, data privacy, and seamless integration. At its root, Unibright's intent of this product is to build a tokenized ecosystem and open community with the UBT token at the center of it all, in which UBT tokens are staked by workers to reserve the right to do work on the network, in addition to the token acting as a payment mechanism. Furthermore, launched in early 2023, Unibright One was released. This is a powerful platform that leverages Baseledger. Unibright One is designed to notarize the exchange of business objects such as orders or invoices between process participants, like manufacturers and suppliers. This notarization ensures that all participants agree on the exchange content, enhancing trust and transparency. Crucially, no actual documents are stored on the blockchain, preserving privacy. And this is a feature that is drastically beneficial to the industry and is unique to Unibright's offering. This is possible via sync trees, which are used to calculate and display hashes at various levels, ensuring data correctness. As you can imagine, enterprises face significant challenges such as the technical and regulatory complexities of cryptocurrency custody and use, as well as issues related to key management and cost control. Unibright One does address these difficulties by abstracting them away, allowing the use of traditional fiat currency gateways on a pay-per-transaction basis, while still holding true to the fundamentals of the UBT token utility being at the center of it all. Okay, so we have a clear picture as to what was developed and rolled out in the past, but what is the team currently up to today? Well, it looks like they're diving into the world of AI, with the focus on solving a major issue we are seeing come to light much more recently, and that is the lack of regulation in the AI industry. What's an example of this, you might ask? As Digital Trust pointed out in the Crypto Fiend Telegram chat, a large majority of AI companies like Perplexity AI are training their models to scrape way more data than is considered fair use that laws allow. Why is this an issue? Well, in this case, Perplexity AI was scraping data from a variety of subscription-based websites who rely on their users to pay a monthly fee to operate their business. This is just one example of many fair use questions popping up in the industry right now, but this has led the team at Unibright to ask some questions themselves. And quote, from our AI projects and experiences, a use case in the area of fairly trained AI models has emerged in recent weeks, which has an amazingly large overlap with many topics that we have worked on in recent months and years within Baseledger and Unibright One. Specifically, it is about certification of AI models that are trained, developed, used, and monetized under fair conditions. Together with Fairly Trained, we are in concrete discussions about the extent to which technical solutions can support this. The aim is to connect and notarize each component of an AI model with the respective authors and underlying license models in a comprehensible, transparent, and tamper-proof manner. An integrated licensing and billing system in which both creators and consumers can participate on a low-cost transaction basis is essential, and we are at the forefront of this, said Unibright's CTO Stefan Schmidt. With this announcement being on February 29th, it is hard to say where they are in terms of development, if that even is currently the case. But ultimately, this potential product Unibright has directed their energy towards could have major implications at a time where it is likely needed now more than ever. And that is why Unibright has always been superior to most, always remaining on the cutting edge of innovation and seeing further down the line for solutions that may be required in this ever-adapting digital world. But with the UBT token at the center of it all, we have to ask the question, as an investor, is Unibright still a good investment in 2024? In my opinion, of course, yes. I do believe UBT is still a good bet, but I am going to give criticism where I believe criticism is due, as weighing the pros and cons for any investment is crucial, and blinding yourself from the cons is how you could lead yourself to emotionally investing, which proven time and time again, which I definitely have personal experience with, can lead to very poor decisions and ultimately disaster. So, with that said, what are the criticisms I have? Well, we've already established thus far that Unibright has always over-delivered on their development promises. But if you've been involved in the community for some time, you know the team has a certain way of going about things, with the focus being build, 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 and sharing news when there's news to be shared. Which, in that regard, I do understand that mindset. At the end of the day, the days of the announcement of an announcement need to be put behind us. But I do also understand where the community is coming from and some of their frustrations in regards to the lack of engagement from the team, whether big or small. Any company going multiple months on end without any signs of life can lead to putting a sour taste in investors' mouths. But more importantly, a business that could utilize Unibright's services may never have the opportunity to, since the company's present digital media footprint is nearly non-existent. Now, what's the point of providing this criticism without sharing a potential solution? Well, my advice to the team would be to get active again. I totally get that the team is focused on build, 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 but having someone focus on growing the community and spreading the word that is Unibright is just as important. So if a team member isn't able to take on that role regularly, the next best thing would be an intern or even a community member that would happily take charge. So what could that actually look like? For starters, create a weekly content schedule that not only keeps the community active and engaged, but organically spreads the word of the great potential that is Unibright. Launch a weekly X Spaces for industry leaders to discuss anything and everything from the rise of AI and the repercussions to sync trees and NFT interoperability. This is a great and easy way to bring different industries together and also different communities, ultimately with the goal to grow the Unibright ecosystem. Next, I think it would be crucial to push for media collaborations with other industry leaders, big or small, directly beneficial or not. Heck, the first space could be with Paul Brody, who just discussed the future of enterprise blockchain adoption. Furthermore, I think it'd be great if Unibright could provide the community with updates to past announcements, such as the EEA or INAPA. Pretty much anything that's not under NDA will be great to hear about. Ultimately, cross-pollinating with other businesses in the Web3 industry, whether directly beneficial to the Unibright ecosystem or not, will have a massive impact on growing the community. And outside of direct outreach and the reliance on the community to spread the word, we need to start looking at Unibright's media platforms as the funnel for enterprise onboarding. I think everyone would agree that marketing is essential, especially in an industry where not much is sexy. So when that's lacking but everything else isn't, you're essentially left with a North Star that's not as bright as it could be. But I want to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment down below on what you think Unibright is doing right and what they could probably do a little bit better. And be sure to provide some detail because I'm sure they'll be checking out these comments as well.